The name of this project is the Champlain Hudson Power Express. The primary goal is to install via trenchless methods a power line carrying renewable energy to New York City.
One of the reasons this project actually got its permit was because of its use of trenchless methodologies to overcome the geotechnical, the urban, and the other conditions in the area that we'd have to kind of get around. So there's a series of protected wetlands, there's protected waterways, there's protected ecosystems, and there's also people. We're in New York State, there's lots of people here, and we just don't want to disrupt their lives. So trenchless is the only way to overcome those obstacles. Crossing Group's commitment on this project is currently 100+ crossings at 50 locations. So currently we are baselined at 8 rigs and we have 10 available on this project, as well as the tunnel boring machine. So we've had to look at where the MSRs are. We've had to look at where the roads are. We've had to look at, can we actually fit trucks there? Can we get tractor trailer loads there? Are the bridges rated for them? All of those things factor in the decision-making process to make sure that we can support the rigs and keep them moving. So each location is 2 lines. It's a twin bore. So there's 2 10-inch HDPE lines, with one of them having a bundle of a 3-inch HDPE line with it. And then at some locations, they're using an 8-inch FPVC line as the primary conduit material.
Some of the key obstacles primarily are geotechnical in nature. We've been seeing some extremely hard ground conditions, but we have some great suppliers that have been giving us the right tools to get through some of these tough materials and keep our production up. Sometimes we'll have very soft superficial material with a bedrock layer below. When we encounter materials like this, we need to install casing, and in some cases, we'll put an intersect rig where we'll have one rig on exit side and one rig on entry side. Those 2 bits will meet underground, we'll ream it out, and then finally pull the product.
So we're drilling under, in some cases, 50+ what we call hot lines, which are energized lines of gas or power or water, high pressure water, anything essentially that if you did strike it could be catastrophic to the bore and the local community.
What makes HDD ideal for this project is that we can navigate underground. We can turn left, right, up, down. We can follow any bore path that's designed. Rather than open cutting, disturbing roadways, railways, trying to open up hot lines, we go right under them, and you'll never even know that we were here.
So the benefit of the Crossing Group's fleet, which is over 60+ trenchless spreads, is that we're able to pick the right tool for the job and not pick a specific tool just because that's the tool we have in stock or we have available. So one of the benefits is that on this project is sometimes we need an AT rig, sometimes we need a JT rig, sometimes we need 220, sometimes we need 2 rigs, maybe it's a maxi rig. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually get the bore done, and Crossing Group is in a very unique position where we can provide enough resources and the right resources for the actual geotechnical considerations. So we are a key subcontractor on this project and a critical resource and a critical partner to its success.